Right.
People die from bad training of truckers, and, it's just so frustrating to me and to everybody to add, and my members and stuff, that we want more training, lots of hours behind the wheel, lots of learning. Should we have an apprenticeship program, a graduated
Yeah.
licensing, something? I mean, that unfortunately, a few years ago, when that young man ran off that mountain in Colorado, past all three of them runaway ramps that killed them people, that he was a picture postcard, unfortunately, of everything that's wrong in our industry
Mm.
and the shortcomings and breakdowns of our industry. And the sad thing about all of it, the only one who paid the price for that, which I'm not saying you shouldn't have gotten in trouble, but others as well, was the driver. That's the only
Yeah.
person. And what about
That's
the
interesting.
instructor, the driver school, the trucking company, FMCSA, DOT, all these people made all this stuff happen to where this could happen. And, nobody else has
Yeah.
got skin in it.